Here I have HUAWEI P20 and let me show you how to use the battery saver, the power saving mode on the following device. So, you can have really quick access to the ultra power saving mode by using the upper bar twice. Let me show you. And here you can activate the ultra power saving mode. So this is like the most restrictful power saving mode. You will be able to use only certain apps. So let me show you. Let's tap enable, and right here you can only use the dialer, messages and contacts. Of course you can add some other apps if you need really something, but this is the mode when your device will work in a longer time. Let me quit this mode by using this exit key. Tap exit. And you can also have access to the power saving mode by using settings. Here choose the battery, and here you've got also the ultra power saving mode right here, and you can also use the power saving mode, the standard one. Let me show you. Let's use this switcher. This mode limits background apps activity, disables the email auto synchronization, system sound, and reduces the visual effects just to save some power. Let me tap enable, and right now we are using the power saving mode. Here we've got the remaining time. As you can see, it's getting bigger. If you would like to disable this mode, let's use the same switcher. Here you can also check some battery usage information if you would like to. Alright, so that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.